How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We just saw something wicked happen. And actually, literally within seconds of or minutes of making this video is when it happened. So you probably haven't seen it yet. I also wanted to clarify something. I've seen a lot of people saying that I'm bearish on the market or that I flip-flop every video or something like that. I want to clarify my stance because it has not changed at all, right? If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video to see future videos just like this. There's also going to be a link underneath the video to Margex, where you can trade cryptocurrency using leverage. There's also a link down there to CoinW, where you can trade on leverage or spot. And when you use that and you deposit $100 and you make a trade, you actually get a $100 bonus as well. So check out those links underneath the video. Now, we just saw something wicked, and I want to cover that, something kind of crazy, and it does fit the bill of being wicked. I'll explain that in a second, but I made a video saying game effing over, right? And I had some people saying it's not over for crypto, or some people saying it's definitely over. You're right. You need to watch the videos, right? Any video, you can take it in all different contexts, right? When I made that video, I was saying people are saying it's game over for crypto. And I am saying it's not, right? We're still going to go much higher in the future. I made a video a week ago saying I'm done buying, right? I'm done buying Bitcoin. I'm done DCAing. People took that as me saying I'm bearish on the market, or that I'm selling, or that I'm DCAing out. In that video, I go in and say, hey, I made a plan during the bear market. I'm going to buy up until the halving. It's time-based. It's not price-based. It's time-based, based on history. So I bought up until the halving. Then I said, okay, for the next 3 months, I'm just going to sit on my hands. And then 3 months from now, I'm going to start dollar cost averaging out over about 15 months, 12 to 15 months. It can change slightly. But people took that as I am selling. I'm bearish on the market. You shouldn't listen to me because I don't care about crypto. I'm out completely. That's not what's happening. I have more at stake than most people understand because my business is tied to crypto as well. So there is some time when you probably should stop buying, right? Whether you said it or not, typically you don't want to buy the entire market cycle unless you're someone that's going to hold on for the next 10 years or something like that. But being someone that has a lot of interest in crypto, like business interest, you know, I have to ride out the bear markets too. So I can't put every single penny always into crypto. I need to diversify. So I just wanted to get that off my chest, right? I do not change from video to video. I might say game effing over and then explain how some people say it's game over. Yesterday, people were saying that because we fell down, it's game over. But I said in every single video, I am bullish on the long term for Bitcoin. Let me be clear. I'm very bullish on the long term of Bitcoin. And it's not that I'm bearish. It's that, you know, I'm diversifying. Now, moving on to something wicked, and then I have to finish up the video because I have pasta inside, actually boiling right now. But we just saw a large outflow from GBTC, 160 something million dollars, the largest outflow we've seen in a while. And you might be saying, well, who cares? Well, we aren't seeing the flows slow down. I mean, we did kind of, and then they kicked back up, and then we saw them slow down again, and now, you know, we have a $160 million day out of GBTC. So what's that mean? Well, they're dumping the market, right? Some investors are getting out, and it's wicked because they only are keeping these rates so high, the fee rate. They're only keeping the fee so high because their parent company is basically bankrupt, or you know, parts of them are losing so much cash that they need to keep this cash cow going. So they realize that they're losing Bitcoin every single day, and they could stop it. But why stop it when they could make 6 times as much in fees, right? That's their thinking. It's very short-term thinking, but when you're backed into a corner, you make short-term decisions, right? So they are thinking short-term. They're okay losing all the Bitcoin because they're making a lot of money in fees, but eventually that will change. Now, we'll have to see what happens with other ETFs, but a big dumpage from Grayscale, yeah, that's going to push down the market. That's what's happened. That's what's happening over the next day, because a lot of the time these settle a day after. So it's going to be interesting, right? Be ready for volatility. When I said that I was done DCAing, that rings true, right? You want a plan. You want some plan set out so that way you can deal with the volatility, whether it's up only volatility when we move up a $20,000 candle, right? Or whether it's moving down. So be ready for that. I hope you are all doing well right now and that you have a good head on your shoulders moving into this next Giga Pump cycle. Now, it could be a couple months before we Giga Pump. It could be a couple days. Usually when it seems darkest, that's when we turn around. That's when the bottom hits. So be ready. There are crazy times ahead. Make sure that you are well prepared and well rested. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.